Yugioh Fusion Monsters have a purple background and are placed in your extra deck. Their requirements for summoning are located below their monster type. These are called their fusion materials. To fusion summon, you need to meet the fusion card's requirements with cards that allow you to fusion summon, like polymerization, fusion gate, super polymerization, or a monster effect, to name a few. If you have all the fusion materials listed on the fusion monster card in the places specified on your fusion summoning card, you can activate your fusion summoning effect. If that card is in your hand, then you place it in your spell and trap zone, send the fusion materials to the graveyard, then take the appropriate fusion monster from your extra deck and play it in your main monster zone or extra monster zone in either face-up attack or face-up defense position. If the fusion summoning card was played and doesn't remain in play, then place it in the graveyard. If another card effect causes your fusion materials to be sent to a place other than the graveyard when your summoning card resolves, then send them to that other place, but the fusion summon still happens anyways. When your fusion monster is destroyed, send it to your graveyard. Fusion monsters that were properly summoned, then sent to the graveyard or banished, can be special summoned from that location without the need for a fusion spell card, for example, like with Monster Reborn. But if a fusion monster card is sent to your graveyard or banished without it first being properly summoned, then it cannot be special summoned. If your fusion monster is sent to your hand or deck, put it face down in your extra deck instead.